Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have some more survey spoilers, and these again, I'm going to give credit to my girl Tammy Carberry Harper. If you would go visit her Instagram, I'll have her listed below, that way y'all remember where to go. Matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and link her, that way y'all go straight to her. Go visit her Instagram, give her a follow, and let her know I sent you. So guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some confirmed BoxyCharm July Premium Box spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Christina Furco. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Christina says, "Yay, I'm first. I love watching your videos." Well, Christina, honey, thank you so much. That just warms up my heart. And, honey, I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout-out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, of course, you know these are possibly going to be future spoilers coming in future BoxyCharm boxes. And I only see 2 brands here, but we do have quite a few products. So if you have a snack and a drink, well, you just settle in and get comfy, because we got quite a few of them to name off. Now, again, there's only 2 brands, but I've got 2 items from one brand and a bunch of others from the other brand. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now, again, these are survey spoilers. These are the emails that they'll send some of y'all to ask y'all if you would like to see these in an upcoming box. So first up is the Endota Spa, and we got quite a few items from this brand. So I'm not going to keep repeating their brand name. I'm just going to name off the products. Anyways, the first item we got by them is the Natural Clear Zinc SPF 50 plus. Now this is a sunscreen, and that is valued at $20. Next thing we have by this brand is the Blue Light Defense Hydro Mist. This is valued at $30. Next up we have their Signature Blend Hand and Body Lotion, valued at $20. And then we have their Balancing Face Moisturizer, valued at $15. Next up we have, well, they got it labeled as a lip balm and gloss, and when I found it, it was actually a tinted lip gloss. This is valued at $12, but they do have quite unique packaging on this. Next up is their InstaBrows Brow Gel. Now it could be tinted brow gel, it could be clear brow gel, who knows? This is valued at $32. Why so high? I don't know. Next up is their Magnesium Mist. Now this is to hydrate and calm the skin. This is valued at $20. Next up, this is their Mint and Macadamia Recovery Bath. These are bath salts. Pretty cool little item here. This is valued at $24. Next up is their Glow Super Greens. Now this is some kind of one of those powders that you mix in a water, I'm assuming, valued at $43. And next up is some supplements. This is their Hair, Skin, and Nails supplements. These are valued at $36. Now I do believe there are going to be 60 tablets. I don't know about that thing, y'all. Next up is the Blue Light Defense Hydro Cream. Now, we already seen the Blue Light Defense Hydro Mist. This is the Hydro Cream by them. This is valued at $53. Next up, thank goodness we're starting a new brand. Now, this is another brand I've never heard of. It is called Isla. I believe like Isla Skincare or something like that. Again, never heard of them, but they look like they got some pretty neat items. The first thing is the Hydro Lat Toner for hydrating the skin. Pretty neat little item there. So this toner is valued at $46. Next up, we have their Cleansing Milk for Natural Beauty. This is valued at $58. Looks like a couple of neat items right there. If you've heard of any one of these, let me know what you think down in the comment section. Also, let me know if you'd like to receive any of this stuff coming in future boxes. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. And again, I'd like to thank my girl Tammy. Again, she is linked below. Go visit her Instagram. Let her know I sent you. Now, y'all, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Pterodactyl. I love that name. That is just so cute. I don't know how people come up with stuff, but Tara, you done a really good one there. I just had to pick your comment. Anyways, Tara says, I hope the Saturday skin isn't a variation. Well, Tara, honey, I'll keep my fingers crossed for you, honey. Maybe that'll be in everybody's box, or if you don't want it at all, I hope you don't get it. I don't know which one you mean by that. You probably want it, and you don't want it to be a variation. You want it in all boxes, I'm assuming. So I really do hope you get it if you do want that item. And Tara, I really appreciate you coming and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you gotta leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.